Hello, Huludunya, Kimara Hashiv, and Jew is Misha Joseph, and an Alaba, and an Pashlik, and an Alaba. Today, and Jew, we're going to do something a little bit different. I've written a story, and we're going to read through it, and we're going to do the very first part of it now. So come with me over to my story, please. And it's about a boy, and his name is Mìchael. In English, that's Michael. Let's see what he's doing today. Kashmaha. Right, here we are. The story of Michael. Kashmaha simply means right then. Well, we're going to begin by reading through this, and then we'll look at the meaning. So we have the Gaelic, the sounds like, so you can hear what these words sound like, and then the meaning. So the text is all here at the top. Okay. Dh'èirich and balach, Samuel Cachavelu, Cachavelu, Cachavelu. Coe Samuel husht avan tram. Can you fisacum Cachavelmi and an hospital husht avan tram. Right, let's look at some of the meanings here. Okay, so the boy woke up. Okay, so here we have the word for rising or waking up, and we put the DH in front to make it the past tense. Okay, so in total, this becomes like a Y sound. Dh'èirich. Dh'èirich and balach. So, in other words, rose up or woke up in this case, the boy, and balach. The boy woke up. Now, the first thing to notice here is just about lenition, because remember last week we spoke about the word for shop, which was boo. And when we talk about this shop, it becomes avu, because there's an H goes in there. But that's not the case with balach, because balach is the word for boy, and it's masculine. Let's have a look down here. Dh'èirich and balach. Dh'èirich and balach, the boy woke up. Literally, this is woke up or rose up and balach, the boy. Compared to this word here for nas, vanotram, the nas. You can see the difference there. There's the H. All right, goes in this one and not in this one. Samuel, Cachavel u. And I've written the sound there. It means Samuel, where are you? Let's just look again. So Dh'èirich and balach, the boy woke up or rose up from the bed, you could say, but I'm using this to mean woke up. Samuel, Cachavelu, Cachavelu, Cachavelu. So he's woken up and he's calling for someone called Samuel. There's an as here. Vanotram. Okay, let's have a little look. Coe Samuel husht a vanotram. Vanotram. Coe Samuel, who is Samuel? Husht a vanotram. Can you fisacum? Cachavilmi. We're not saying, Samuel, where are you this time? The boy is saying, where am I? This is Mìchael. Mìchael. Can you fisacum? Catch a veil me. Where am I? And an ospadal husht a vanotram. Okay, now a couple of things to notice here. a vanal tram. Okay, so the word for nurse is actually banal tram, but the H goes in to give it a V sound because it's feminine. Unlike balach, which is masculine, so it doesn't take the H when we use the. Now let's just look at the meanings here. Dh'èirich and balach. Okay, we've done this many times now. Dh'èirich and balach. So woke up the boy. The boy woke up. You know that word order thing that Gaelic does? Right? Samuel, catch a velu. And he says it 3 times. Samuel, catch a velu, catch a velu, catch a velu. There it is. Yeah. And the nurse, she says, go is Samuel. Horst avanotram. So who is Samuel? Said the nurse. Okay, I'm not using the word for asked here. I'm just saying said. Okay. Horst avanotram. Can you fisacum? Now, some people lenite this like this. Kaniel isacum. But most people that I talk to, they actually say fisacum. Kaniel fisacum. But I have heard that some people lenite this as well, and both are correct. Okay? And then he asks, Catch-avail me. So he's not asking where Samuel, Catch-avail Samuel. He's actually saying, where am I? Catch-avail me. Yeah, where am I? And Catch-avail me, where am I? And the answer there is ans an ospadal, horst, avanal trom. So this basically means in the hospital, said the nurse. Now, again, remember that H makes it a vanaltrum, okay, rather than banaltrum. And also, this is the word for nurse, okay, vanaltrum. And an hospital, horst, a vanaltrum. Horst, said the nurse, okay. Very good, very good. So we'll just quickly go over this one more time, just so that you're absolutely clear. Mìchael. Dh'èirich an balach. Samuel, catch a velu, catch a velu, catch a velu. Cois Samuel, hús da vanal trom. And you fys hacum. Catch a velu me, and an hospital, hús a vanal tram. Okay. And this here, sometimes some people lenite it. I've only ever heard people say, I don't know, chan yeo fisacum. But some people say chan yeo is acum without the F. We'll just read these again. Dh'èirich an balach. Samuel, catch-a-velu. Quis Samuel, hús da vanal tram. Chanel fisacum, chanel fis or isacum. Catch-a-veil me, where am I? And that's the same as this, catch-a-veil me. And an hospital, or stavanal tram. Okay, there we are. Now remember, you can join my Telegram group. I'll put the link in the description on YouTube so you can click on it or cut and paste it. And this is my website as well. I'm going to set up a menu for these new stories, which will be coming about Mìchael. And that's it from me for another day. Tapalev, thank you. Chiri Andrazda. Bye for now.